What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I am going to deploy three neutral grid bots. Okay, so I'm going to launch three bots, one for Phantom, one for Matic, and one for BNB. As you can see right here, I've been doing some prices, some technical analysis. Okay, guys, and yeah, before I go into that, I'm not a financial advice. This is just me sharing my crypto journey with y'all. Okay, so after doing my TA, technical analysis, all right, I decided to deploy a neutral grid bot. And as you can see right here, this one is the price range. So the price will range, well, I think it will range from this price right here, the bottom, so 0.37, all it can go up to 0.52. Okay, and the between it's right here. Okay, so as you can see right here, the price is currently almost at the middle. Okay, so that's why I decided to launch a neutral grid bot, because even if it goes down or up, okay, eventually there will be a pullback, and that's where we are going to make the profits. Okay, same goes to Matic. All right, so the Matic price range will go between 0.94 and 124. Okay, and as you can see right here, Matic is right in between. Okay, so price, if it goes between this upper band and lower band, okay, we're gonna make profits, and ultimately we got the BNB. Same goes to BNB. So price range will be between the lower band is gonna be 264, the higher band will be 347, and BNB price is right here, is close to the middle. Okay, so then again, another reason for me to deploy the neutral grid trading bot. So I'm gonna use Bybit, right? So when you come over here to Bybit, we have the AI strategy or we have the manual strategy. Okay, so the AI strategy, the bot, you got three options: neutral, long, or short. Okay, I'm gonna go neutral. Okay, because from here the price can either go up or down. Okay, I don't think BNB will break 350 anytime soon. Okay, so I'm gonna play neutral. Okay, and in the neutral, the BNB, the AI is saying 292 and 324. Okay, 292 is about here, and three what? 326. 326. It's about here, more or less. Okay, but yeah, I'm not gonna follow the AI strategy. I'm gonna hit manual. Okay, so I'm gonna customize. Even though I can use the AI strategy, click there and it will automatically pop up. But I am going to change. So I'm gonna put 264 and 346. Okay, 264 and 346, I say. Yes, that's it. Okay, so I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna place 25 grids. 25 grids. Okay, and leverage, I'm gonna leverage a 10x. And the investment that I'm gonna, oh, I need to transfer some USDT. Yeah, hang on a second, guys. I need to transfer some USDT to my futures account, and then I'm gonna proceed. Okay, I've got 75 bucks. So what I will do is I am going to deploy three bots. Okay, so I'm going to invest 25 bucks in each bot. As you can see right here, the minimum is 5.81. Okay, I'm going to go 25 bucks. All right, and I'm going to go for advanced settings as well. Right, so I'm going to take profits at 25%. Okay, so 25% is 6.25 USDT profits, or stop loss 5%. Okay, 1.25 USDT stop loss, and I'm happy with that. Okay, so BNB USDT, blah blah blah. Okay, I'm gonna confirm and create now, and we will deploy. So over here is just a confirmation what we're doing. Okay, so an investment 25 USDT, neutral leverage 10x. Okay, price range 264, 346, 25 grades, take profit 25%, stop loss 5%. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and confirm. Okay, and that's the first bot deployed. Okay, guys, so once you deploy the bot, it takes a few minutes, okay, to an hour or so for the bot to actually start working. Okay, but as you can see right here, the bot is active. Okay, I also have two other bots. Okay, spot grid bots. So I've got Sol, which is 146 days old, and I have AVAX, which is 162 days old, right? So total PL is 187 bucks. Okay, so still up and running. Right, so the first bot is done. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna deploy the second bot, right? So we're gonna deploy the second bot, which is going to be Matic. Okay, so the Matic price range will be between 0.94 and 124. So we're gonna hit create now, and we're gonna go Matic. We're gonna pick the Matic right there, and we're gonna go manual. We can click the AI strategy, but you know, it's a bit different than what I'm thinking. So 0.94, you know, I might be wrong though. I might be wrong, but I'm gonna try it out my way and let's see how it works. Okay, so I'm gonna go for another 25 grids, leverage, same again, 10x. The more you increase the leverage, the higher will be the profit per grid. Okay, so 10x right there. So minimum investment 1.92, right? So I'm gonna go for 25 bucks, and then again, take profits 25%, stop loss 5%. Okay, always make sure you, when you're playing with futures, always make sure that you create stop losses, right? So otherwise you can get wrecked, right? So I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and confirm. So the second bot has been deployed. So now we are going for the third bot, right? Third bot, so it's initializing right now. So the third bot is going to be Phantom. Phantom, we're going to create now. And the Phantom is going to be price range 0.37 to 0.53. 0.37, 0.53. Okay, happy with that. So hopefully the markets won't be crazy for the next few days, so we can make some profit. So he's actually close, 0.37 and 0.53. Yeah, the Phantom is the one that AI is for very close to my strategy. So 25 grids. Leverage, we're gonna go for 10 leverage, 10x. And minimum investment 0.8. Damn, that's nothing, right? So we're gonna go with 25 bucks again, right? So take profit is going to be 25% and stop loss 5%. Create now, confirm, boom. So 3 bots have been created, okay guys? And yeah, so from now, once you know everything, once the bot starts working, you know, we will see the liquidation price. Okay, as you can see right now we don't have the liquidation price because all the bots have been deployed. But you know, in a few, probably half an hour to an hour, you will start seeing the liquidation price. Okay, and once the bot hits the liquidation price, that means the bot will stop. Okay, because we're gonna get liquidated and we're gonna the trading bot will stop, right? So essentially that's just how it works. So I'm gonna leave it for now. As you can see right here, they are not doing anything. So if you click on details, we can see the details where the trades are going to be placed and etc. Okay guys, but for now nothing is happening because the bot just started. So the market price right there. So if you come over here to positions, we can see the positions that where the bot's going to buy and where the bot is going to sell, right? So the bot has 15 buys and 10 sells right there. Okay, and you can see all the positions. Okay, same goes to all the other bots, all right? But yes, guys, I just wanted to give you an update about Bybit. It's been a minute since last time I played with Bybit, but I was like, okay, market seems to be doing well lately, so I am going to deploy these 3 bots, just gamble my 75 bucks and see where it takes me. Okay, guys. So yes, if I get liquidated or if I make profits or losses, regardless, I will come over here and share my journey with y'all. Okay, guys. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.